Everyone, this is Stephen Fleener from Silence Education, and I'm very pleased to be introducing our newest product, the Visual Non-Glossary. So the Visual Non-Glossary is a compendium of vocabulary words and visuals associated with those vocabulary words that allow students to build meaning of the vocabulary words. Importantly, these visuals are what I like to call structured visuals, meaning they have arrows and symbols and other vocabulary words labeled to help students build meaning and think deeply about the words. In addition, with every visual, there are guiding questions and sentence stems that help students use these words in a variety of different contexts and think about the words in a lot of different contexts. So on this website, thevisualnonglossary.com, you can see, for example, sample images. You can look at the image for streak, for example, and you can see labeled vocabulary, mineral and streak, as well as guiding questions that help students to navigate through the visual. So for example, in the first question, how is a mineral streak used? One student might say, a mineral streak is used to identify what kind of mineral it is. Or another student might answer, a mineral streak is used to see what it looks like when you strike the mineral onto a plate, for example. There's also different kinds of questions. There are relational questions that ask the students to think about how this word is related to another vocabulary word. In this case, how is streak related to the word hardness? And also inferential questions that get students to really think deeply about how this word would be applied in different kinds of contexts. So for example, what kind of minerals would not leave a streak? A student has to think very deeply about why minerals leave a streak, and in doing so, they're using the word streak in a high-level context. So in addition to sample images, there are also various strategies that help to promote accountable discussion on this website. And then finally, there are the word lists. So if you go to a certain grade level, what you'll see is you'll see a list of vocabulary words associated with that grade level. And there's a lot of information on this website associated with each vocabulary word. There is the branch of science that the word falls under. There are the TEKS that the word appears in, as well as the NGSS standards. And also the TEKS and the NGSS standards are vertically aligned so that you can see that, for example, this word appears in 8th grade, but also appears in 6th grade, as well as in biology. The website is organized so that words can be searched by subject area. For example, I can look for words specific to electromagnetic radiation, and I get these results. Or I can search for words specific to TEK or NGSS standards. So I can search specifically for 8.9b, and I get words that only come up in the TEK 8.9b. So to find out more information about the Visual Non-Glossary, please go to www.thevisualnonglossary.com.